guys, and I solved the Rubik's Cube, and I know I stopped posting a lot of videos, but I'm gonna try and solve this Rubik's Cube again. But on the way, I'm gonna teach you. 'Took me 3, not hours, but 45 minutes. So I'm gonna try to solve this. The first step in solving Rubik's Cube is cross. So you're supposed to make the cross. I'm not gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you in another video. I'm just telling you what you're supposed to do. After you're done with the cross, you can finish up on the Rubik's Cube. It's not that hard. I'm gonna teach you how to do it in a different video. I'm just teaching you the steps and what you need to do. So next step is you need to do the second layer. I'm not gonna teach you again. Teach you in the next video. Oh. There we go. Sometimes it won't work correctly, so I'm gonna have to unsolve the Rubik's Cube again. And then once you solve the second layers, the 2 layers, you gotta solve, well, not solve it, but you gotta make a cross. Sometimes you have an L, you have a dot, or you have the cross. If you have the cross, you don't have to do anything. Oh yeah, and sometimes you have the line. So again, I'm gonna teach you in another video. And then you get the cross and do that again. And then there's the cross. Right there, I just say there's the cross. Next, you'll have to do something, blah blah blah. Not gonna teach you. And then blah blah blah, keep on doing this, blah blah blah. Oh. Okay. So blah blah blah. I gotta do this. And then you solve the Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it in the next video that I'm gonna make. I'm just teaching you that I could solve this. Well,
I just answered right
5 minutes or 4. This is not a pause. I did this. The next video I'm gonna teach you how to do it. And this is just a video that I could solve it and the steps to solving it. Oh, I forgot a couple steps though. Yes. You probably should know that from other videos. This is you. This is you. Turn it to left. Clockwise. U prime. Turn to the right. Counterclockwise.
Mine is
R. R prime. L prime. And then B prime.
Do you even want this? Do you even want your money?
So U prime is up. U prime is the top layer. R. U is top layer. R is the right. L is the left. B is the back. I think I forgot one thing. I don't know. One, two, three, four.
I didn't have to tell the Nancy broke off came here. You said to me in trouble for having him sleeping here. What? That's
You're in trouble.
you can tell her she is in trouble for having him sleeping here last night.
Ha ha. Oh, I got checkers.
No one said anything.
Look at this. So, this is all from one video. Please watch mine. And I solved your Rubik's Cube. The lights. Peace out, Rainbow Droughts.